Hello, my name is Raymond Pryce. I'm the MP candidate for the constituency of North East St. Elizabeth on behalf of the People's National Party. I bring a lot of experience to the table. Despite my youth, as many will point out, I have served this country nationally at the Consumer Affairs Commission through the Bureau of Standards Jamaica. I've been a lecturer at the College of Agriculture, Science and Education, and even outside of Jamaica, in the region and elsewhere in the world. I have a good reputation, a professional background in working on youth development issues and in particular rural development. I look forward to working with not just the people of Northeast St. Elizabeth, but those we'll have to interact with on their behalf as I bring a new era of representation, bringing their issues to the fore, hearing from them some of the aspects of their own lives that they want representation on, and hopefully in partnership with them and other stakeholders, we'll be able to continue the great strides that have been made in Northeast St. Elizabeth.